To set up a screen lock on Motorola Moto G15, first we need to open a settings on our device. We can then scroll down to the security and privacy, select it from the options and move to the device unlock. Now you need to move to the screen lock, which will allow you to choose between different options. If you want to have a protection on your device, I recommend to go for the three below right here. So we have a pattern which allows you to draw lines to create a pattern on the unlock pattern of your device. There's a pin which allows you to enter a few digits numbers that also will protect your device, and the password which allows you to enter any simple password to also protect it. I'm gonna go with the pattern and enter it. Then also always you need to confirm that password, and finally our screen lock will be set up. You can manage what will be visible on the lock screen, and finally right here we're done. There's also different options like a fingerprint and face unlock that you can set up, and that is basically everything.